Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some Hindu vocabulary. Discord, which is a noun meaning enmity, opposition, quarreling, matbhed. Break with, which is a phrasal verb meaning act against procedural or traditional way, nahi manna. Wrap up, which is a phrasal verb meaning conclude, finish, complete, pura karna. Communique, which is a noun, official communication, press release, bulletin, sarkari सूचना. Fracture, which is a verb meaning split, separate, break, bhang karna. Friction, which is a noun meaning conflict, dispute, argument, which is takrav. Stem from, which is a verb meaning arise from, derive from, utpann hona. Implicit, which is an adjective meaning implied, indirect, hinted, vishwas yogya. A level playing field, which is a phrase meaning a situation in which everyone has a fair and equal chance of succeeding. Push back, which is a noun meaning a negative reaction, पीछे धकेलना. Call upon, which is a phrasal verb meaning demand, require, ask formally, bulana. Eschew, which is a verb meaning deliberately avoid using, abstain from, त्याग करना. Debt trap, which is a noun meaning a situation in which a debt is difficult or impossible to repay, ऋण जाल. Plenary, which is a noun meaning a meeting, परिपूर्ण. Not mincing words, which is a phrase meaning call a spade, मुंह पर कहना. Tout, which is a verb meaning advertise or publicize, endorse or urge, dalali karna. Landscape, which is a noun meaning the distinctive features of a field of activity, prakritik drishya. Predominance, which is a noun meaning supremacy, power, hegemony, prabalta. Titan, which is a noun meaning an extremely important, asadharan vyakti. Portend, which is a verb meaning to foretell, presage or augur, पूर्वाभास या पूर्व सूचना देना. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.